Luna Park in Melbourne is home to the second oldest roller coaster in the entire world. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and today we're gonna ride the Scenic Railway. Railway was amazing. For a 106-year-old roller coaster, the second oldest roller coaster in the world, it's really smooth. There was only a couple of bits where it really dug. So I've been on the third oldest roller coaster in the world in Tivoli in Denmark. And this wasn't the first time I'd been on a coaster with a brakeman, but that is a very strange experience. So if you haven't been on one of those, do go on one someday because it's bizarre. But yeah, an amazing coaster and I'm so glad that I did it. Thanks for watching my video on the Scenic Railway from Luna Park, Melbourne. On Friday we'll have our regular theme park news in a minute, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at themeparknut, and our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers!